Hey guys, welcome to Kitī Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the zombie Hello Kitty. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off on the top right and we're going to draw the bow. Let's draw a curve on an angle, leaving it open at the bottom. And then let's add 2 small angles down underneath. And close it off at the bottom. Next, we're going to hop inside the skull and draw the eyes. Let's draw 2 ovals on an angle like this. And color them both in black. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw a point up and down for the nose. And 2 lines up at the bottom. Now let's hop out and let's draw the sides of the bow. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve up, over to the left, bring it down and back in. And the same on the right side. Now inside the bow, let's draw a curve on both sides next to the skull. And let's color these both in black. And that's it for the bow. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start by drawing a curve across and over to the left. Now let's curve it up and out for the ear and bring it back down. And for the other ear, let's do the same thing on top of the bow by curving it up and down. Now let's hop underneath the bow on the right and let's draw a curve down and bring it in. And let's do the same thing on the left side, starting at the ear. And close off the head at the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start by drawing 2 ovals for the eyes. And then a sideways oval in the middle for the nose. Now let's hop out and let's draw the whiskers. Let's draw 3 curves going out on each side, with the middle one being a little bit shorter. And lastly, for the head, let's draw some stitches. On the top left, let's draw a curve here. And let's add a few curves going across. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head on both sides and let's draw a curve down and out for the tops of the arms. And then let's curve it back in underneath each line. Now we're going to hop up and let's bring it down for the sides of the body. Now to draw the hands, let's hop up to the top corners and let's draw a bump up. And one more larger one underneath and back in like this. Now let's hop down and let's continue the body. Let's draw a curve across for the bottom of the shirt. And then a line down in the center. Now let's close off the bottom of each leg by curving it in on both sides. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and let's draw some details on the shirt. Let's start in the center and let's draw a wavy line around and back down to the other side. Now at the bottom, let's draw some drips by bringing it down like this. And then close it off by bringing it over to the left. Now let's add some holes in the shirt. Let's draw a few circles on the top left here, some on the bottom, and a few more on the bottom right. And that's it for the shirt. Now top down and let's draw the shorts. Across each of the legs, let's draw a zigzag line across. And that's it for Zombie Hello Kitty. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!